Hi guys, I'm going to show you how I did my own gel nails at home. This Amazon find was fabulous and it only cost $20. Okay, so right now I'm going to clean my nail beds just to make sure it's no residue or anything on my nails. I've already washed them, but you just want to make sure that it's completely clean with nothing on it so it can adhere correctly. Now I have my nail polish remover. I'm going to do the same thing, just remove everything, just make sure my nail beds are completely clean. Now here we have the nails. I purchased the ballerina shape because I like that shape more. And in this packet, it has several different sizes and I thought that was pretty cool. And now I'm going to clean the nail also before I adhere it. I'm going to also file my nail bed just so it can adhere even more. And here's a cute little UV light that allows the nail to bond to your nail bed, and it just all comes together really quick. Here's the polish, the glue polish. And I'm going to place it on my nail right quick. You want to do this lightly. And you also want to do the same thing to the nail, just lightly. I made the mistake by putting too much. And you want to put a little so it doesn't have air bubbles. Now, what I can say is you want to get as close to the nail line as close as you can, or you're going to have this mistake. And then what you're going to do is tap on the UV light. Make sure your hand is steady. Make sure the other hand is supporting that hand, and put it under the UV light. And in like seconds, it's like on there, stuck, up and stuck. It's like on there and it's not going anywhere. So I thought this was pretty cool. And it took literally seconds. And I was like, oh my God, I don't have to go to the nail shop anymore. So I did that, and this is how it looks. It looks so good. I didn't have to go through all the hassle of the filing and all the other stuff that you go through at the nail shop. So here it is again. I'm going to do my next finger. Just file it and make sure that the nail is able to adhere to your nail bed. And I'm going to do the other hand also. And what I can say is, when applying these nails, you probably want to do your dominant hand first because you're going to be struggling trying to do your other hand. So, like I said, you want to put on a thin layer on your nail bed. Just make sure it's really thin. And then you want to do the same thing on the actual nail, but not too much because you're going to get air bubbles. But if you plan on putting paint on these nails, you don't even have to care about the air bubbles. I'm pretty sure I had some air bubbles on a lot of mine. I didn't care because I was going to put nail polish on mine to where you don't even see that part. Right under the UV light again. And like I said, within seconds, it's like done. Just that fast. And they don't look bad at all. So it's a good thing, guys. Like I said, this is only $20. This was so cool. I think I'm going to purchase a bigger UV light next time. Okay, and here they are. They look so good. Now I'm going to cut them. Now this comes in the package also, this little nail cutter. I thought it was so cute. It's purple, girly. Just size up the length that you want. That's the length that I want because I use a computer and I don't have time to be clicking and clacking all over my computer. It's aggravating after a while. But here's the length that I would like. Now I'm still going to go in and file, and I'm just going to size the other hand like this just to make sure I know where I want it. And it's better to do it a little longer than too short. Now that's the length that I will want. Even if I had one that was too long, I'm just going to file it down. And like I said, it's better to do it too long than too short. And just in case you wanted to know, when you get these nails, just in case if you put on a nail and you're like, crap, I don't know what nail that was, all you got to do is look at the number and it's at the top of the nail. And now I'm going to show you how to file. This is how you file from on your nails. You want to slide down, not, at a rigorous movement. And then you want to come into the nail on the corners, come into the middle, so you can round that out on the edge so it won't be pointy. And that's how you do it. Now, I'm going to show you what not to do. That. Don't do that. That's doing too much and it's going to mess it up. So this is the length that I went with, and I'm excited. So this is a gel nail polish that I purchased from Amazon. It was pretty cool. It's nude, and it was the color that I wanted. Okay, I'm going to show you how to polish. So you want to glide down the middle, glide down the side, and glide down the other side so you can have that smooth look. I did a couple layers, and I put my finger under the UV light, and girl, this polish was not going anywhere. I was trying to figure out what level of polish that I wanted to put on there, how many coats, but I think the left hand I like more than the right. So yes, so this is the right, where it's not too many layers. I kind of like it. And this is the left, where it's a couple more layers. And there you have it, girl. I'm finna be in these streets like, give me my money. I'm doing too much with my nails. Y'all done messed up giving me this product. Like I said, guys, this is $20. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.